Hello, my name is Lanre Ajayi, reaching now on channel 1973.1 DT on people, places, and events. This is My City Speaks to Me, the Calgary edition. Today, I'm in a unique store in the heart of downtown Calgary. Stephen Avenue to be precise. I'm in a shoe store, but different from other shoe stores I've been in my life. Welcome to John Fluevog Shoe Store. John Fluevog is a Canadian shoe designer. His shoes are noted for the progressive Art Deco-inspired styles. John Fluevog spent his youth at his father's drive-in ice cream parlor, where he developed passion for cars, which in turn inspired him for his shoe designs that we see all around today. Today I have Adrian, the store manager at the Calgary branch, with me, who will be coming to tell us more about how this store came to existence. Hi. Hello. Adrian, how are you?
Good, how are you today?
Cool, this is a beautiful shop. I love the shoes, I love everything about this store. Can you tell us about John Fluevog, the history, how this came to be?
So John Fluevog has been around since 1970. He started fairly young in the shoe business, but didn't start really designing until maybe the 80s. We started small with a couple stores on the West Coast and maybe one on the East Coast, but now we have over 25 stores. We have just opened a store in Amsterdam, which is our first store outside of North America.
Wow, that's cool. So how long have you been working with John Fluevog? How long?
I've worked here for almost 5 years now.
That's cool.
I've been here as a store manager for 2 years, and before that I was a sales associate for 3 years.
So what inspired you to come and work with John Fluevog?
Actually, my story is similar to a lot of people who started working here. It was a fluke.
Okay.
I was in between jobs, and then I decided just to apply here because I had heard about it through my friends. And I mean, 5 years later, here I am, the store manager.
Okay, wonderful. I read somewhere on your website that he started with, he had a shop with one of his co-workers by the name of Peter Fox.
Yes, so he started at a shoe store with Peter Fox, and both of them left together to open Fox and Fluevog in the 70s.
And I read they go their ways, in an amicable, separation.
Yes.
And then he started his the first shoe store somewhere in Vancouver, right?
Yeah. So the company is based out of Vancouver to this day, and when him and Peter Fox split ways, John kind of started his own brand, started designing his own shoes, and being more in touch with the design process.
I'm a Fluevogger. The fans of John Fluevog are called Fluevoggers. I've seen, celebrities like Whoopi Goldberg, Scarlett Johansson, Lady Gaga, Madonna, Marcia Oka, Paul Abdul. Well, just to name a few.
Well, even just from that list, you can see that our clientele is eclectic.
Yeah.
So none of those celebrities really have much in common except maybe the shoes they wear.
Okay, it's beautiful. I love the shoe, and I'm loving the store. Beautiful. Apart from shoes, what other things do you produce, John Fluevog?
So we also sell bags and belts and accessories. We recently started selling dog collars. So we don't just sell shoes, we sell bags and leather goods as well.
Okay. So what is unique about this Calgary location?
Oh, the Calgary location is unique because, well, we are 3 levels. We are one of the biggest stores. Upstairs, we have a shoe museum which has vintage Fluevog shoes. Downstairs, we have an art gallery, and we change out the artist every 2 months, and it's always a local artist.
That's cool. Thank you very much, Adrian. Now you heard that from the store manager, Adrian, and I'm going to be showing you some beautiful collections on John Fluevog. So stay around, don't go nowhere.